Hi there, today in this session we will discuss about conditional statements in Python. Conditional statements helps you to make decisions based on certain conditions. They are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. And they specify decision making statements having Boolean expressions because they allow your program to make decisions and execute specific block of code only if a certain condition is met. Boolean expressions are evaluated to a Boolean value with the help of true or false, as I earlier discussed, where true denotes to 1 and false denotes to 0. We have types of conditional statements. The major categories are three: if statement, if else statement, elif statement in Python. Apart from that, you can also go for the nested if statement and match case statement. Match case statement introduced in Python 3.10. So if you are using the version beyond that, you can just go for this match case statement. We can verify which version we are using, Python -- version. So you can see that we are using 3.12, so match statement also works in our case. Stay tuned to learn how these conditional statements are the fundamentals for decision making in any Python program and which one to recommend in which scenario in a real world scenarios in my upcoming session. Until next time, see you in the next session. Hi there, today in this session we will discuss about if statement. If statement efficiently and correctly is important for writing clean, readable and maintainable code that consists of a Boolean expression which is evaluated to a Boolean value. If the condition is true, then the block is executed. If false, then it will terminate your condition and will go out of that iteration. Let me help you out with an example. Imagine you run a store that gives discount to our members. If customer is a member, they get a discount, otherwise nothing happen. Point to be noted, nothing happen. So I will declare a variable is underscore member equals to input. Are you member? Yes or no. The user can enter the yes or no in any of the case. I said that the moment input is being taken, I will convert that input into the lowercase so that we can compare with the lowercase input. If is member equals to yes, I simply print a message and I say you are eligible for a discount. As I said, if he or she is not a member, then nothing will happen. So I will not expand this else much. Let me just run this. As I am using input, I need to use the terminal to run this command. Python py if statement. So if I say the member yes, you are eligible for a discount. If I write this in an uppercase, also you are eligible for a discount. You can also extend this further. You can take the input age equals to input, integer input. Now check if the user is a member, then you are eligible for a discount. I wanted to check if age is greater than or equals to 60. Then I wanted to give a message, you are eligible for a senior citizen discount. And if you want to check for both at a one given point of time, you can check if is member equals to yes or no, then you and age is less than 60, then you are not eligible for a discount. You can also check for other conditions like if is member is equals to yes and age is greater than or equals to 60, then you are eligible for a double discount. So membership check, first, then the senior check first, and then combined condition. So if the user is both a member and a senior citizen, they will see all the messages. So just go and check. I wanted to run this once again. Are you a member? Yes. Age is, let's say, 89. So you are eligible for a discount. You are eligible for a senior discount, or you are eligible for a double discount all. And this way, if I run this once again, you are member, yes, but you are not eligible for the senior citizen discount, so you are eligible for a discount only. This is how you can check the if condition. We can check multiple conditions independently and handle different scenarios without needing the else or elif statement. Until next time, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Hi there. In this session, I will discuss about if-else statement. It consists of two statements, if statement and else statement, that allow you to execute one block of a code if a condition is true and another block if the condition is false. You do not need to repeat the condition. So you can see that if condition is true, then if block executed. If condition is not true, it is false, then the else block executed automatically. You do not need to give the otherwise condition. And this is how the syntax has to be written. Let me help you out with an example. Considering the if-else statement, get user input for membership status. So I will check if is member equals to, input has to be taken. Then I will use if-else statement to check membership. So what I will do is, I will check if is member equals to yes, then you are eligible for a discount. I wanted to give a otherwise message that you are not eligible for a discount. So input yes, you get a membership discount. No, you do not get a membership discount. Similarly, let me just run this first. I clear this and then run this. Py if else statement. Yes, then you are eligible for a discount. It says that this print is not working because I said yes. I just run this once again. You are not eligible for a discount. Further extent, you can check the voting eligibility. Check voting eligibility. Let's say I enter the age. I check if age is greater than or equals to 18, you are eligible to vote. Otherwise, just print a nice message that he or she will be prompted out that you are not eligible for a discount. So if else statement execute one block of condition if the condition is true and the another block of the condition when it is false. In real world scenarios, the use cases like checking the user input, authentication like login and logout, device control and number operations can be handled with the help of the if-else statement. Until next time, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Hi there. Today in this session, I will discuss about if-elif statement. If-elif statement in Python allows you to handle multiple conditions by checking them sequentially. If the first condition is false, it moves to the next elif statement or a condition and so on. If none of the if or elif statement gets satisfied or gets true, then the else otherwise block gets executed. Let me help you out with an example. Let me check or let me get user input for the temperature. Afterwards, I will use if statement to check the temperature. If the temperature is greater than 30, then I simply say print it's a hot day. Elif, if the temperature is greater than 20, then I print it's a nice day or it's a pleasant day. And then I check Elif, temperature is greater than 10, it's a cold day, wear a jacket. Otherwise, come to the else and say print it's a cold outside, or you can just write here it's a chilly day, something kind of. So this is how we can make the iterations. You can see that it is asking me to do the right indenting because Python strictly follows the indentation. I will talk about this here and there. So if I run this program, I say py if elif statement, I enter the temperature 25, so it is a pleasant day. If I enter the temperature 5, so it's a cold day. So if the first condition is greater than 30, then this will execute. Otherwise, it will go to the elif. If none of the condition gets executed, then elif else gets executed. Sometimes I am telling you the best practice. Sometimes we say that why do we need to write down elif? Why don't we write multiple if like this? So you can see that in this case, if I enter 25, I get it's a pleasant day and as well as it's a chilly day because both the conditions gets checked and satisfied. When we write if, all the if statements are checked and else immediately works for its above else. But when we check elif, when any of the condition gets satisfied, it terminates this condition check. It will not check the same block further. So this is how elif plays an important role. So such kind of iterations or decision making programs you can do with the help of elif statement. Until next time, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Hi there. Let's discuss about nested condition that refers to placing one if statement inside the another that allow you to check multiple related conditions and make decisions. Considering an example of a job application evaluation, where I say I have experience to be taken as input from user, then I have has Python skills. Do you have any Python skills? Then I have is recent graduate. Are you a recent graduate? Yes or no? Then let's do a nested condition. I check if experience is greater than or equals to 3. Then only check if has Python skills, yes. Then print you are eligible for an interview. Eligible for an interview. Otherwise, I simply print a message. Please improve your Python skills. If experience is greater than or equals to 3, only this if else will execute. If experience is not greater than or equals to 3 years, then I will check if is recent graduate, yes. Then you are eligible for internship. Otherwise, I'll just print a message. Sorry, you do not meet the criteria. This is how we check. Now let's run and test it out. Py nested condition. If I enter the experience 6 and has the Python skills yes, the first if gets satisfied, and the first if inside the experience gets satisfied, you are eligible for an interview. Are you a recent graduate? That needs to be checked later. We'll do this next time. You are eligible for an interview. If I enter the experience 4, but Python skills no, and is recent graduate yes, please improve your Python skills. Similarly, if I check experience is 3, is recent graduate, do you have Python skills? No. Are you a recent graduate? Yes. No. So if I'm not, then please improve your Python skills. So this is how we tested up the nested conditions, and nested conditions allow you to handle complex logics by checking related conditions inside each other. But be careful about over nesting, as it can make the code harder to read. Try to keep it simple and refactor when possible. Until next time, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Hi there. In this session, I will discuss about match condition or a match statements. In Python 3.10 and later, you can use this. It is similar to the switch case in other languages. Let's discuss about the same. As I said, the match is similar to switch case in other languages that allows for the pattern matching. I'm supposed to create a menu selection system using match case. So what I will do is, I will take a choice from the user equals to input, where I say please choose a drink, coffee, tea or juice, and convert this into the lowercase. Now I will use a match case right here. Match choice, I will pass a choice, then I will check with the case. If it's a coffee, you have selected coffee, or rather than putting up this message, you can change this message to coffee cost $2, and similarly you can iterate this message tea cost $1 and juice cost $3. Otherwise it will print we don't have the drink, or please choose coffee, tea or juice. I just save this up, run this using py. I enter juice. Juice cost $3. I enter juice in uppercase. It will convert this into the lowercase and verify, and then same thing gets applied for the tea and coffee. If I enter the invalid match, let's say water, so it will say that invalid choice, please choose coffee, tea or drink. So match case is useful for handling multiple cases with clean and readable code, and the case act as a default. This case underscore act as a default, catching any value not explicitly matched. You can use the other operators also, like the equals to operator, comparison operators or an AND operator to satisfy this condition in the complex scenarios. I hope it is clear to all of you. Until next time, stay tuned. See you in the next video.